Part two of the first day of school going wrong. I already know where I left off, so let's get straight into it. Oh, also, I'm actually kind of sad because I was originally going to make this like on TikTok, but it was too long. Like, what the frick? Anyways, I cannot stay here. I'm my brother's emotional support. He's the only person he can come to. Girl, shut up. Ain't no one's studying your brother right now. We gotta do something that gets us out of the situation. Don't you know what situation we're in? Oh yeah, I guess. Great. Now I'm gonna call my mom. No, she does not answer. I'm going to flip out. Meanwhile, the other kids. Hey, we have to stop them. No, not on my watch. They will not be skipping class. Neither on mine. They will not be skipping class. Neither on mine. It takes them at my birthday. Wait a minute. Where'd they go? We have to stay extra quiet. Anyway, they leave, I guess. I don't even know. Put them, like, yeah. That was so crazy. Anyway, I gotta get back to my mom. Mother. Yes, stop calling me while you're in class. I'm not in class. I'm currently skipping all because of you. You won't come get me or my friend, nor my friend, because we are living in a dangerous situation. My teacher is acting crazy, and we need your help. And if you can't help us, then we're probably gonna live here till we die. Oh my gosh, that does sound horrible. Right now, you're doing that on purpose. No, shoot! I should have never became an actor. Gosh, why does my mom? Oh, I'm so sorry. Why does my mom always act like this? So freaking annoying. If you want to know the definition of annoying, my brother is annoying. He's handicapped. You can't blame him. Anyway, girl, I'm about to eat because I am starving. I know, right? Let's go. Use a big bag for eating both of those little pies. Oh, shut up. You can't be talking. Maybe if I stay quiet. And now let's watch a movie. Anyway, they started watching the movie. They started doing chaotic stuff. And like, just act like all the food is going. This guy definitely got me full. Me and they used to make a part 2 of those Took stories. Like, I love the ghetto-ness in it because it just brings more contrast. You know? Oppositeness. I'm so surreal. It just brings that, you know, that feeling. Yeah, I don't really know what you mean, but like, I know what you mean at the same time. Like, yeah. I'm just gonna sit all that up there. I'm actually kind of bored. I want to get out of here. Because what's the whole point of actually staying here? The bell has currently now rung. I repeat, the bell has currently now rung. It is time for dismissal. Oh my gosh, finally. Open this. Girl, you gotta hope no one's there. Shoot, I do have to think about like, whatever, who's gonna care? It's probably not even that risky. Meanwhile, the people hurt. I knew they were going to skip the class, that's why I did this. That's why I made the fake announcement, so I can catch her. I'm getting this for my brother. No, you are not taking that for your brother. Yes, the frick I am. It is literally a bee. He loves bees. Bro, y'all think it's gonna sting you. No, the freak it isn't. I hate you. I'll open it, I guess. And you're the one saying everything's gonna be risky. God. I think it's closed, like fully locked. Wait a minute. What's that? Here's something. Oh my freaking gosh! Hello guys! We got lost. Someone pushed us in there. Yeah, I forgot their face. But it was him. I'm a girl. They took him up. Even the freaking choir teacher. Please, I'm so thank you for saving us. We forgot we didn't have the key to it. They literally shoved it in there when they were trying to push us in there. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for saving us. We were going to die. We know you girls were skipping class. You were acting crazy. It's not our fault. It is your fault. You should have never skipped class, no matter what. And you should have been doing your job properly, no matter what. Because what the freak is this? Opposite day. Y'all are so stupid. I want everyone up here to leave. Going. Same with me. What the freak? I'm actually like skipping school. For real. In fact, we have to go to here tomorrow. Tomorrow. The heck? Back downstairs. You know my heart belongs to you. Come on. I know, right? I don't need to study. Probably don't. I'm not gonna study. Like, I don't need it. I'm gonna not bring my stuff. Yeah, I'm not either. It's probably like going to be boring. I didn't get this from my brother. That's all. Yeah, let's go. Let's skip in class. No giving a dang. We don't have a care in the world. You're not gonna tell us what to do. Ooh, I'm gonna get this for my brother, like a bird. Girl, no! Try to poop on her head, but misses. Boop. Never mind, I do not want a bird. That was literally just disgusting trying to poop on your head. Alright. Back at home! There go their separate. Separate? What? Separate ways to the houses. They're different directions. Okay. I promise you, today at school was so weird. Like, why would they even do that? Whatever, it's not my fault anyway. And why are you back so early? I heard you were trying to skip class. Mom, you can't blame me. They were acting so freaking weird. Like, I didn't even call you because I was acting scared they were going to take my phone away. And my friend already called her mom and her mom didn't believe her. So we just went out and left because those people are acting crazy. I don't know what to say. I'm not going to let them teach me. My principal tried teaching me and was acting like so freaking weird. I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't actually mean for this to happen. You sure you didn't? Yes, Mom. I'm actually very sure. Also, I got this B for a brother. I just always wanted to give that to him. And plus, it's not really my fault. They were acting mean. I don't care. You're grounded for a month. You're not, no? I'm taking your electronics. Yeah. Okay, I don't care. Gosh, I freaking hate my mom. Ooh. Wait a minute. Is that a secret department? Hold on. behind that? Gosh, I have a key here, and there's a little exit door. Gosh, I'm definitely going in there. Hold it behind me, put that note by the lead. Bam. She's going somewhere else. Where does it lead to? We don't know. I actually do not know. Hold on, what's up in here real quick? What is up there? Probably like a normal like house, I think. It leads to that compartment that the little sister and my other little place actually have. So let me go get that. Gosh, what the freak was that? Am I coming out of that freaking TV? What the heck is this? Also, y'all, there's gonna be a lot of freaks and hacks because I cannot cuss on here. If I do, I might actually get canceled. Yeah. That's just life, you know. Oh my gosh, I know I hate it, but like, I can do this. You know my heart belongs to you. There, like, get her in the character thingy. Because I promise you, if I cannot find her again. Anyways, now let's get her like little subjects that she did. Subject 1 and 2 and 3. Grandma Nini, Lucas, and Dark and Cynthia. Okay, we're just gonna make you guys go in there. Yeah, just go in there. Okay, and you're gonna be like, oh, you're gonna not be like sleeping and stuff. I'm about to go to bed. We all about to go to bed up in here, girl. Wet. Let's go. And then we're just gonna okay, I don't really know what this place is. Why is it so weird? You are my friend. You're my sister's friend. What are you doing here? Get out now. How'd you find this place? Did you get into my house? Did you break in? Tell me now. No, I literally just... Oh, Trigger one there be loud noise. Girl, I'm sorry. I just came in here from my department that I had in my secret closet. You have a department in your closet just like mine's? My dad's? My mom's? Yeah? Oh my gosh. This is scary. I know, right? But whatever. Don't get in the way of these subjects. If you do, they will genuinely like freak out, okay? And I don't want that happening. So just stay in your place, let's say. Gosh, why is this place so cluttered? Like I barely even move. That's because I like it cluttered. Like, why wouldn't it be cluttered? I love that. I forgot that I can even do it. Oh my god, just do it. You also know I hate Stray Kids, and I'm singing that. Oh my gosh. Now let's go to my secret portal. What? The secret what? Portal. Do you want to go or not, you baby? Do not call me a baby. I'm going. Great. I always wanted you to come to me. Bloody Mary. Yo, I gotta open my door to the bathroom. Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary. Hold on. Mirror, mirror on the wall, show me the portal, the best of them all, the one that always shines with dark green and bright. When the darkness finally meets the light. What in the world was that? No, this is scary. Anyway, let's just go, I guess. Hold on, everything's gonna have to activate up in here because it just does. They can also go through this, which is also a portal. And it makes like the foam to actually get that portal there. Okay, y'all, do not, when I said so the Dragon Beast flight, that's what I thought of. We are hunters, voices strong, slaying demons with our songs. Fix what's wrong and make it right, till the darkness meets, when the darkness meets the light. You see that? You see that? I'm sorry, y'all. I just didn't want to make it like sound like a moan because it wasn't supposed to be one. You know? What the freak was that? Oh, you'll see, you'll see. It's just a little place. A lot of departments. Like these boxes. Like every single last boxes. Every single last box. That's this thingy that has everything on it and stuff. This vent, there's everything has a department to it, or at least connected to it. Let's close this one. Zoop. Oh yeah, the portal already closed. That's what the portal. This was the portal leads me to. If I want to sneak out to find my family, I can. And trust me, no one will survive. What do you mean by no one will survive? Nothing. Okay. Now we have to go to that school with yours. It is contaminated with people that are very dangerous. I don't like what you mean by this. What do you mean? My principal was acting weird, but now she's turned back to normal. That's not her. Not at all. What? Please don't tell me. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. What do you mean? That's not them. It is not them. You shouldn't trust them. Not at a single cost. No matter what it leads you to doing. If it leads you to killing yourself. Well, actually, no, you don't have to kill yourself. You have to kill them. That is what changes their soul back to normal. Okay? It's as easy as that. We'll just break everybody's skull, cranium with anything we have. They're all in that one classroom. Well, all the students are actually normal, but the people that were on the second floor, they're not. They are anomalies, trying to take over the world. They're trying to take over the school, this whole planet. And if we don't do something right now, we could possibly end up being an anomaly, which eats our soul alive, but won't spit it out once we kill the demon inside of them, or that are on the outside of them, but they can't control their bodies on the inside. They might be actually worrying and crying on the inside, but we'll find out very, very soon. We can't let anything distract us or stop us. So let's go. Let's do this battle. Together, we will meet the light. Yeah. No, we're the light. We'll let them meet the darkness. That's going to be in the end of the video, because this is very interesting. And why should I even let the interesting part be in the interesting roleplay that I'm doing right now? Like, why am I going to put it in this video? Wait. No, I got to turn this microphone so I can do some. Also, this is a phone. Freak. Also, check the caption of the part 1.